Hey friends, are you looking for the best place to buy the Windows 11 license key? If yes, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything in this subject. And I'll tell you why this is a question at the first place. Because if you search for Windows 11 license in the Google search bar, Google is the most popular search engine. All of these sponsored results are fake and do not buy it from any of these. And I'll tell you why Google shows all of these results at the first place, because Google is Microsoft's rival and they want you to buy the wrong product so that Microsoft doesn't get the money. And let's say you consider buying any of these products, these are fake keys. These are, they call them cheap keys. They are basically purchased in non-legit manner. So if you wish to buy a key, then go to the official website. Now this is the official website for Windows 11 Home, and this is the official website for Windows 11 Pro. Now you can go here, and this is where you can get the retail key from. And this is actually the best place to buy the retail key. It will cost you $199 in US and $139 for the home version, $199 for the Pro version. This is the best place because it's definitely going to be genuine. You are downloading it from Microsoft.com, and thus you know that you are getting it from the right place. If you think about buying the license in the form of a CD or a DVD from a physical store, it may also be compromised. So this is where I would buy it from. Now, one more case is that people say that what if we want to buy it from Amazon, because Amazon is quite a trusted seller for everyone. I say no. Let me show you why. So here is the Microsoft 11 key. It is a little cheaper than the original retail key that you get from the Microsoft website. So people think that maybe Amazon is offering a discount. No, not true. I'll tell you this thing. Click on this, the ratings. And I went to the 2-star ratings and they gave me the answer. This is the OEM version, not the retail key. And the genuine retail key is only available on the Microsoft website. And the same thing has been said by a lot of people, that they either received a blank key or this was not the right key, and this was an OEM key. Now I'll tell you what an OEM key is and the difference between volume licensing, retail, and OEM key. Now this key that you buy can be used on multiple computers, though one at a time. For example, if you are using it on one computer, now you want to do away with your computer, so the key will still remain with you. You can use this version of Windows on a different computer, though on your first computer it won't work after that. But if you are using an OEM key, or an OEM key is the one which you get with Windows installed into your computer by default, and it will not work on a different computer. So that's the disadvantage of an OEM key. And as for the volume licensing one, those are for enterprise users and for companies, and they are bound to a domain. They should be bound to a domain, and they may stop working on other systems. So this is where you're going to buy it from.